How to order check from Atlantic Union Bank. I'll show you how to order checks from Atlantic Union Bank step by step. Log into your Atlantic Union Bank online banking or the mobile banking app. From the main menu, look for the option labeled Order Checks under Account Services. Select the checking account you want to order checks for. You'll see different check styles and customization options, like adding your name, address, and sometimes even a design. Choose the quantity of checks you'd like to order. Keep in mind, prices vary depending on the style and number of checkbooks. Confirm your shipping address. You can have the check sent directly to your home or mailing address on file. Review your order details, then submit your request. The cost will either be charged to your checking account or billed separately. Thanks for watching.